Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Hetro Joyo Simanullang, class 44 1B04. Greeting to all of us in this video. I will share my statement regarding the issue of smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus is highly discouraged, and as a student, I do not agree with it. Why? I will explain my next statement. Okay, why is smoking on campus not a good idea? Let me first discuss the reason, which is from a health perspective. We know the contents of cigarettes can be harmful to our body health, especially to our health. Only gas is toxic, but it can also harm the heart. Moreover, the substances in cigarettes can trigger cancer, which can lead to death, especially if one becomes heavily addicted. Smoking also pollutes the air on campus, especially if the campus lacks green plant. Research has shown the second hand. Smoke is more dangerous than active smoking. In my opinion, this next statement is true. Cigarette smoke can linger in the air for up to 5 hours. Just imagine that, and we know that people nearby will inhale the smoke, which is very unhealthy. that not good. Thank you from Hetro Joyo Simanullang. Hello, I introduce myself. My name is Hetro Joyo Simanullang, class 441B04. The presentation, the question word. Introduction. What are question word? Question word are used to ask for specific information and are essential in everyday communication. List of question word. Number 1, what? Number 2, where? Number 3, when? Number 4, why? Number 5, how? Number 6, who? Number 7, which? Number 8, whose? Next, what? Music. Who's to ask for information about something. Example statement. What's your name? What or continue to say. Ask to ask about general things or definition. Another example. What time is it? Next, where? Music. Who's to ask about place or location. Example sentence. Where do you live? Where continue? Say. Who's to ask about a place position. Another example. Where is the current restaurant? When? Music. Ask to ask about time or a specific moment. Example statement. When is the meeting? Next, when? Continue. Music. Who's to ask about an event or a future moment. Another example. When do you well? Why? Music. Who's to ask about reason or causes. Example sentence. Why are you late? Why? Or continue. Music. Who's to ask for an explanation of reason. Another example. Why did she leave early? How? Music. Was to ask about the way something is done or the process. Example sentence. How do you make coffee? Next. How or continue. Music. Was to ask about the state or method of doing something. Another example. How is the weather today? Who? Music. Ask to ask about people or who is involved. Example sentence. Who is your best friend? Who or continue. Music. Who's to ask about who is performing an action or involved in a situation. Another example. Who called you? Which? Music. Ask to ask about a choice from a noun set of options. Example sentence. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which or continue. Music. As to there are several noun options to choose from. Another example. Which movie do you want to watch? Whose? Who said? Ask to ask
ask about